Stickman foo cough excuse me I'm just allergic to your bullshit t-shirt is a bold and humorous statement piece perfect for anyone who loves to wear their attitude on their sleeve. Literally. Crafted from 100% premium cotton, this shirt offers exceptional comfort and breathability, making it ideal for everyday wear. Whether you're out with friends, running errands, or just relaxing at home, this t-shirt delivers a soft touch against the skin while maintaining durability thanks to its high-quality fabric. Proudly made in the United States, this shirt not only supports local manufacturing but also ensures excellent craftsmanship and a perfect fit. The striking design features a pretty stickman along with the witty phrase, "Foo cough excuse me I'm just allergic to your bullshit," making it a fun and unique addition to your casual wardrobe. It's a fantastic conversation starter and a great way to express your no-nonsense personality with style. Pretty stickman foo cough excuse me I'm just allergic to your bullshit t-shirt, tank top, v-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Rock your vibe with our Allergic to Bullshit t-shirt, where humor meets style. Stay stylish and sassy with our Allergic to Your Bullshit sweatshirt. Perfect for bold statements. Show off your sass with our Allergic to Your BS tank top. Perfect for bold statements. Unleash your sass with our Allergic to Your Bullshit ladies tee. Perfect for bold statements. Show off your style with our Allergic to Bullshit hoodie, perfect for unapologetic vibes. Show off your quirky style with our Allergic to Your Bullshit Stickman tee. Perfect for laughs. For those who want versatility beyond just a t-shirt, the pretty Stickman foo cough excuse me I'm just allergic to your bullshit design is also available in a range of other comfortable options including tank tops, v-necks, sweatshirts, and hoodies. Each item maintains the same high standard of 100% cotton fabric and American craftsmanship. Whether you prefer the lighter feel of a tank top in warmer weather or the cozy warmth of a hoodie during cooler months, this collection ensures you can showcase your personality year-round. These are perfect for layering or wearing solo, offering flexibility without sacrificing style or comfort. Embrace your unique sense of humor and attitude while enjoying the soft, breathable feel of high-quality cotton made right here in the USA. Other product.